Let's learn how to create a task and connect several tasks together to make a workflow. Task cards are the third level of a project in SciNote. To briefly sum up the structure in SciNote, projects are the first level and can be understood as main folders. Experiments are the second level and can be understood as subfolders. Tasks are the third level and are in a way like files on your computer or your notebook page. They carry all the content, including your protocol and notes. In this tutorial, we'll explore creating task cards and workflows. Let's start by clicking New Task. Here you can create a task and add additional details like the due date and the member who will be completing the protocol. Once you're finished, click Create Task. You can also create a new task by clicking Edit Workflow. Go back to the New Task button, but this time you're going to drag and drop your task onto the canvas. You will name that task and confirm by clicking Create Task. The additional details that were added on the initial task card creation demonstration can be added when you're inside the task card under the Details section. Tasks that were already created and newly created tasks can be rearranged when working in the gray canvas area. Simply click on the card and move it to a new location. When you have multiple tasks created, you can connect them, creating workflows, by clicking on one task where it says Drag Connections from here and dragging the mouse to another task. You can create linear or non-linear workflows. If you move connected tasks, they will remain connected. To remove an arrow, click on the X. Click on the arrow in the top right corner to reveal task card options. Here you can rename a task, duplicate just this specific task card, move this specific task card to a different experiment, view who has access to it, as well as their permissions, and archive the task. As well, you can duplicate the entire workflow, move the entire workflow to a different experiment, and archive it. Please note, if you archive a task or a workflow, all arrow connections you've created will be lost. All other data will be safely archived. Click Save to exit the Edit Workflow mode. To find tasks that you archived, navigate to the Archive State view, from which you can then restore any archived tasks at any time. To learn more about SciNote, continue watching our tutorial videos and explore the resources linked below.